fellow business people. Goals are the guiding force that keeps us on track, helps us make informed decisions, and ultimately leads us to success. First and foremost, setting goals provides us with direction. Without a clear plan, it's easy to get lost in the sea of daily tasks and lose sight of what truly matters. Goals give us something to strive towards, a destination to reach, and a roadmap to follow. They help us prioritize our actions and allocate resources efficiently, so we can progress towards our ultimate vision. Moreover, setting goals allows us to measure our progress and track our success. When we set specific, measurable, and achievable goals, we can monitor our performance and identify areas we need to improve. This feedback loop helps us stay accountable and empowers us to make data-driven decisions that maximize our ROI. In addition, setting goals fosters a sense of motivation and purpose among team members. When everyone is aligned towards a common objective, there's a shared sense of responsibility and accountability that drives us forward. Goals inspire us to work harder, think creatively, and take calculated risks to achieve our desired outcomes. Perhaps most importantly, setting goals helps us overcome obstacles and challenges. As entrepreneurs and business people, we all encounter roadblocks and setbacks. But with a clear plan, we can use these challenges as opportunities to learn, grow, and innovate. Dreams provide a framework to identify and overcome obstacles to keep moving towards our ultimate vision. Now, how to set practical goals that genuinely drive success. To do so, it's crucial to follow the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific goals are clear and well-defined, leaving no room for ambiguity or misinterpretation. Measurable goals are quantifiable, so we can track progress and measure success. Achievable goals are realistic and attainable, so we don't set ourselves up for failure. Relevant goals align with our overall vision and strategy, so we don't waste resources on irrelevant initiatives. Finally, time-bound goals have deadlines, so we have a sense of urgency and accountability. In conclusion, setting goals is a powerful tool to help us succeed in business and life. Dreams provide us with direction, measurement, motivation, and resilience. They guide us towards the future we envision and help us overcome challenges. So let us embrace the power of goal setting and make our dreams a reality. Zig Ziglar once said, "If you aim at nothing, you will hit it every time." So let's aim high, set smart goals, and reach for the stars.